Dear students, in this video, let us solve MCQ paper 2 of physics part. First question, a safety device used to protect the electric circuit and electric appliances is. Whenever we hear the word safety in electric circuit, fuse flashes in our mind. Yes, correct answer for this question is option B, fuse. Next question, the position of the image obtained by a convex lens when an object is kept between f1 and 2f1. Lens used here is convex lens. Position of object is between f1 and 2f1. Let us see the position of image. Image is formed beyond 2f2. So, correct answer for this question is option C, beyond 2f2. Next question, the power plant that does not use turbine to generate electricity is. In the given options, nuclear power plant, thermal power plant and hydroelectric power plant, all these plants produce electricity by using turbines. But solar power plant directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. So, correct answer for this question is option A, solar power plant. Next question, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohms and a conductor of 4 ohms resistance are connected in series to a 6-volt battery as shown in the figure. Then the total current flowing through the circuit is. Data given are resistance 20 ohm and 4 ohm which is connected in series, so total resistance is 24 ohms. Potential difference V is equal to 6 volts. Here we have to calculate electric current. Formula we have to use here is I is equal to V by R. When we substitute the values of V and R in the formula, we get the answer 0.25 ampere. So, correct answer for this question is option D, 0.25 A. Next question, in Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates direction of the. In Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of induced current. So, correct answer for this question is option A, electric current induced in a conductor. Next question, observe the following table. Material medium P, Q, R, S and their refractive indexes are given. Question, in which material medium speed of light is very high? Lesser the refractive index of the medium, higher the speed of light. In the given refractive indexes, refractive index of S is very low. So, speed of light in S is highest. So, correct answer for this question is option B, yes. Next question, a rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of induced current changes once in each. In electric generator, when copper coil is rotated in a magnetic field, After every half rotation, direction of electric current changes in the external circuit. So, correct answer for this question is option C, half revolutions. Next question, a major component of biogas is. Correct answer for this question is option B, methane. In biogases, methane is the major component. Next question, one of the properties of concave lens is it. This is concave lens. Concave lenses diverges light rays. These rays appear to emerge from a point on the principal axis. So, concave lens is diverging lens. This is convex lens. Convex lens converges light rays. So, convex lens is converging lens. So, correct answer for this question is option A, diverges the light rays. Next question, an electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. If the current flowing in the bulb is 0.50 amperes, the power of the bulb is. Data given here are V is equal to 220 volts. Electric current I is equal to 0.50 ampere. Here we have to calculate power. According to the data given here, we have to use the formula P is equal to V into I. Substitute the values of V and I and multiply. We get the answer 110. As SI unit of power is watt, so we have to put W. Now the answer is 110 watts. Next question, the function of ammeter in an electric circuit is it. Correct answer for this question is option B, measures rate of electric current. Let us examine other options also. Option A, device used to reverse the direction of current is commutator. Option C, device which protects electrical appliances is fuse. Option D, device which measures potential difference is voltmeter. Next question, as the electrical resistivity of a substance increases. Correct answer for this question is option D, resistance increases. Next question, the phenomenon of bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another is. Correct answer for this question is option A, refraction of light. Next question is, which of the following is not a property of magnetic lines? Let us answer this question by observing magnetic field lines. Option A, magnetic field lines are dense near poles. Yes, as we are seeing in the image, this is the property of magnetic field lines. According to option B, magnetic field lines are closed loops. This statement is also correct. Option D is also correct. Magnetic field lines emerge from North Pole and merge at the South Pole. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. In option C, it is given that magnetic field lines intersect each other. This is not the property of magnetic field lines. So, correct answer for this question is option C. Dear students, all video links of multiple choice question paper Solved videos are given in description box. Watch them and score good marks.